So here's my craft tutorial on how to fold a little book from just one sheet of paper or cardstock. And here's one of the little books that I did that with. So this little book has all kinds of little things in pockets, but it was made from just one piece of the book itself, one piece of paper. Oops. And this is how we do that. So first we're going to take our paper and fold it in half this way. I like to use a bone folder to crease that, but you could use your fingernail. You could also use the back of a pair of scissors. And then I open it up. Now this is regular paper. If I was using cardstock, I would then also fold it back and fold it again. You don't necessarily have to do that with regular paper. And then we're going to fold it the long ways. And I'm going to line up the little creases here and line up my corners. And crease it with my fingers and then with the bone folder. And then we'll open it up again and fold from the sides into the center. So we'll get one crease in that direction. And we'll flip it and get another crease in the other direction. And when you finish, you should have folds that kind of separate 8 rectangles here. So then we'll fold it over once this way. And you want to pick it up so the fold is towards you. And you'll take your scissors and cut only in to this fold here. And then you'll open it up and fold it the long way. And at this point, you may have to fold a couple of your extra folds another time. And you'll open it up, and what you want to do is see a diamond in the center here. And then you just smush that together. And put this down, and this extra piece will fold either forward or backward depending on how your folds were. And I would crease this again with your bone folder or your scissors or your nail. And what you'll have here is a little book that has 8 pages. And this is a great book that kids can use to write a story. You've got a title page here and 7 pages for a nice short story, or make a little comic. But if you'd like to make a book with the pockets, then you'll open this back up. And you make one fold along the edge. Now it doesn't really have to be measured. You just want to line up your folds. So the folded line here with this, and then you'll fold it back and actually use that first measurement to fold this side up. And then again, you'll find your little diamond shape there. Smush it together. And this will give you your little folded book with little pockets that you can put stuff in, so that your little book will be able to hold little things like that. One of the reasons for making it out of regular paper is that there's a way you can decorate it with templates, rubbing plates. And you'll see that on another video, how to decorate with rubbing plates that you make yourself. But if you're not going to do that, you might want to make your little book out of cardstock. I use 67-pound cardstock, and it makes a little sturdier book. And you can decorate this too. So thank you for watching, and have fun.